Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your teacher Aksa Faisal and I am going to teach the subject of science. This is going to be the third week of December and this is the fifth lecture of science. And the topic is living things and their environment. Okay, dear students, we have read about adaptations in our previous lecture, and we have read what adaptation means and what are the basic characteristics you can say of the adaptations in which an animal is physically suitable to its environment with the specific regard to food and the physical features and all that. So I would just recall a little bit here and then we will proceed our today's topic. What does it mean by adaptation? Adaptation is the physical or behavioral characteristic of an organism that helps an organism to survive better in the surrounding environment. Okay, you got it hopefully. So, adaptation is the evolutionary process where an organism becomes better suited to its habitat. When people speak about adaptation, they often mean a feature or a trait which helps an animal or plant to be survived. An example is the adaptation of horse's teeth to grinding grass. It means that horse's teeth is suitable to grind the grass. That is God gifted. That is the physical feature of the horse, that the teeth of the horse is helpful for grinding the grass because it is the food of a horse. So, specifically here, we will read about the adaptations of animals in cold places. Animals that live in very cold places, they have special physical features to better survive in that cold and harsh weather. For example, a polar bear and a seal, they have very thick fur on their bodies and they have a very thick layer of fat under their skin which help them and keep them warm in the harsh weather. So these are the physical features of the animals live in cold places which are in favor of their survival basically. So students, same is the case with the animals that live in hot areas and hot places. They have naturally they have adopted the qualities and characteristics which enable them to survive in hot weather and hot places. Like most animals that live in very hot places, for example, camel, lizards, and snakes, they rest during the day and look for food at night because in the daytime it's very hot in those places, so it's difficult for them to go out their home and search for food, so they stay home when during the day and look for the food at night because it's easy for them to search for food when it's night and comparatively the weather becomes um, less hot or normal, comes to the normal. Then they can also store water in their body for a long time, like in animals living in the desert. For example, camel, that is also called animal of a desert. An animal lives in hot places, can easily store water in its body for a long period of time, so that because in hot places there is a shortage of water, especially in deserts, so it's not possible for them to find water in a short distance, so they have to store water in their bodies for a longer period of time so they can easily reconsume it when they need it. So it's also the physical feature which the nature has given them to help them survive in hot places. So, dear students, we have done the reading of today's lecture, and now we will go for the exercise and the question answers to be learned. And here is question number 4 in Recall Questions, book page number 55. And this is the last question, question number 4th, which is left. We will do this in our notebooks. Okay, I want you all to note down this question and the answer of this question in your copies, in your notebooks, and then learn the answer, memorize it. This is about the adaptations of the animals regarding cold places, which we have read in our today's lecture. And dear students, this is our question number 2 of exercise on your book, page number 53. Question number 2. These are the fill in the blanks. Just complete the statements by putting the suitable words in the blanks. I have already done for you. Just copy these words and note them down on your books. So, my dear students, that was all about today's lecture. We have read about the adaptation in animals regarding hot and cold places on page number 49 and 50. I want you all to go through the reading of these two topics and then write down the question number 4, as I have already told you, in your notebooks. And do attempt the question number 2 of exercise on your books, page number 53. That's all about today's lecture. Hopefully, you got all the points very well and in a very well manner, so you would be able to attempt this by yourself even. And take care. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.